This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Ansible, that was a big one on the job description.
Sure. So the one question I have, we are planning to use the Puppet, and then we are actually in the process of like the POC. So how would you deal with the new tool that you do not have the experience?
Well, of course, that's the thing about the DevOps space, right? It's ever evolving, and there's always new tools and new technologies being introduced. So I believe as a DevOps engineer, we always need to have that openness and that adaptability to changes like that. So I believe the transition to also adopting, learning Puppet will not be as big of an issue for me as just how I learned all of my other tools and technologies and started working with them. I think I can also smoothly receive the resources and training and very quickly pick up on using other automation tools as well.
Thank you. I think that's good because you will be provided the training and the resources, as well as they will have the sales and the support engineer for a 1 year. So we have it. I just wanted to know if you are interested to learn or what will be a learning the approach. I think we're good.